Hi, good evening everyone. And today I'll be, recommending this book, 77 Shades of Green. This is the story of Wing Commander retired KM Vijayan. And if a lot of us read a lot of books on fiction, non-fiction, biography, autobiography, I would strongly recommend this book to be read, because this is a story of guts, gumption and glory, a story of struggle. But what happens is that if you overcome the struggle, thereafter the world is yours, So I would strongly recommend you to read this book. So this story goes back about the author, and it is a story which happened in 1940s. And the author was from a very well-to-do family. He was born and brought up in a place called Malaya, and his parents were fairly rich that time, and they were one of those entrepreneurs in Malaya. For some reason, his mom had to come back to India, and unfortunately, whatever wealth his father had gained, because of devaluation of the money, you would have known the term demonetization. Because of the devaluation of the money, entire wealth became zero, and that's how he has to come back to India. And he had a tough time. He went into depression, and then the life changed for the author. He saw from a wealthy state to absolute penury, where existence was even difficult, that was the state. But author always believed that education is one thing which will uplift you, and that is what happened. He believed in education. The story is from a village in Kerala where, pre 19 or the pre-liberalization age, the jobs were very difficult, So author used to go to school, and then he was a complete family man. Being the elders, the entire onus felt on him of the family to educate his siblings, to take care of his sisters. So lot of reads in this. He was very much fascinated to join the armed forces. Somehow he wanted to join the armed forces, and that is why he applied to be the airman in the Air Force. And luck would have been thrice he was rejected. 3 times he was rejected, and on the 4th time, author went on to become an airman. So airman is a non-commissioned rank in the Air Force, and thereafter he was posted to his posting after his academy days, and he was posted to Assam. One thing which happened was he was very good at sports, very good at academics, and that propelled him in his life. He was declared as the best airman cadet, when he was doing his term in his academy there. Thereafter, he went on to do appointments. He was posted, and he was extremely brilliant and loved by everyone. As a result of which, he became a blue-eyed boy for everyone in the unit. Life changed. So when you are an airman, he got promotion. He got earlier promotion because of his, good in academics, sports, and all. And that's how he got a chance to appear for the Service Selection Board. So now, what is SSB? SSB is like when you want to become an officer, you have to go to the SSB. So if you are in the non-commissioned rank, you get a chance to go and appear for the SSB. Luck would have been he appeared for his first SSB and he got cleared. Unfortunately, he met with an accident, and before he was to join, he was a Cat 2 medical category, and then he couldn't join the academy, and he was rejected. So what happens is, when your SSB dream fails, a lot of them get depressed, but not Wing Commander Vijayan, retired thereafter. So he appeared again for the SSB, and by this time, as you say, he also started loving the old monk, and then that's what happened. He became a bit habituated to it. He became a bit alcoholic, but that's life. He came back strong. And then he appeared for his SSB again. So he cleared his SSB second time, and luck would have been, again, his documents couldn't reach in time, and then he was rejected for the second time. So what happens is, twice if you get rejected, you go back, you said everything is over, even the unit won't relieve you. But his officers under whom he was working were good, and he attempted his SSB for the third time. And as they say that when you do hard work, the luck also favors to you. So he went on to become an officer in the Indian Air Force, joined the academy. He was declared as the best Air Force officer cadet. They say the Sword of Honor. And he went on to do various appointments. He was from the Logistic Corps. He kept on studying. He kept on doing graduation in various subjects. And last, he was having an MSc in Defense Studies. He went on to do the prestigious DSAC Wellington, the Staff College. He was selected for that. And towards his the end of his career, he became one of the known instructors, and under him 2 air chiefs had gone through training, and that is how everything happened. Thereafter he retired, and when he hung his uniform, he did wonderfully well in his corporate life. He was a motivational speaker. He is a motivational speaker. This is his first book, and he resides in Bangalore. Sometimes we go to Kerala. He's he has his children are settled abroad. And to all of you who searching motivation and who feel कि life में कुछ नहीं हो सकता, read this book. This story is about hope. This story is about working hard. This story is about an officer of the Indian Armed Forces, the Indian Air Force Wing Commander K.M. Vijayan, retired and decorated. Jai Hind. Read this. Jai Hind again.